Tell me he doesn't look like a gorilla when he lands.
Oh, a little twisting. Okay, all right, Justin.
Let's go. Let's go.
Tight, boy. Come on.
Big breath. Let's go. Easy.
Score, Randall.
Come on, fight. Nice shit.
Come on, Justin.
Here it is. He does this by himself all the time. Come on, Grant. Come on, Grant. Let's go. Go now. Come on. Tight. Come on.
Nice.
Nice speed. Yeah.
5. Come on, Randall. Let's go.
Come on, Justin. Let's go. Come on.
Keep tight. Keep tight.
Just up. Come on.
Tight core, Justin.
Let's go. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Just up. Tight.
Come on, bud.
Keep that chest up. Nice.
There you go. Come on.
Let's go. Yep.
Easy.
Easy. Go.
Better than the last one.
Much better than the last one.
Oh! Let's go. Come on. Go, Chris. Come on. Wait. Come on, Grant. Let's go. Come on. Tight. Let's go. Come on, Grant.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2.
What, Tim? What's up, bud? Come on, bro. Let's go. Come on, Pete. Let's go, baby. Come on.
And the 2012 Jeep Wrangler has an all-new powertrain with performance and fuel economy. With a refined, quiet interior and best-in-class maneuverability and ground clearance, it's the most capable Jeep Wrangler. With some great deals, we expect a lot of sparks to fly. The Jeep celebration is the newest lineup of trail-rated.
How's he flight up, man?
Good. Great shot. They actually have direct flights nowadays.
From Ontario,
It's
huh?
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. $180.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty damn good.
You can buy a lot of cheeseburgers with that, man.
That's the downside. That's the downside, but I came up here to be with my animal brethren up here.
There you go. There you go.
That's right. Gotta show them some love.
That's right.
It's been too long.
What's Shannon?
2 years.
I know. There we go.
Come on, bro. Let's go.
Ready? 1, 2.
Up. Good. Come on.
Can you guys use them in your meats? But you can use them. I've never had them. You need a wide angle. If you want to, you need to.
Go, Matt.
Come on, Stolly. I don't know why you're standing on that plate. Nice.
Let's do this. Come on.
Coming. Come on, let's go.
We got Rage here. Introduce him to the twist your wrist. Let's go 4 times.
4 times?
You gotta keep those arms straight there, big guy. There you go. All the way up. Good. Now slowly unravel. No, you can't do that. You gotta turn it. Nice try. Yeah. You gotta turn it. Yeah.
You do realize you're talking to a bodybuilder.
There you go.
My biceps. That's what I'm thinking about right now. I'm not thinking about horses down. I'm thinking my biceps.
Oh, man.
There you go. Come on. How's that thumb feeling?
That fucking hurts. Standing behind there, I couldn't see this and
Yeah.
You weren't videoing back there, were you? I should have been. Seriously. Later.
Come on. Keep it up. Let's go, Timmy.
Easy. Come on.
Come on, Timmy. Let's go. Big push. Come on.
Easy. Come on. Stand who?
Stand who?
I said.
Good. Save it. Yeah, good. Gotta hit the 2 hundies. Good job. Whoa, you alright?
They came in. And luckily.
You got that on tape too.
Oh, easy way. Come on.
Stop forward.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Push it, Ed.
Let's go.
Drive. Lock those triceps out. Come on, bud.
At least one more. At least, come on. All right.
There, save it, dude.
Stan who? Stan who?
Efforting? Who's that guy?
I don't know. You know Stan Efforting?
Nope.
You know Stan Efforting?
Stan who? Don't kill me, big guy.
because you're in a different environment right now.
Get this, boy. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Timmy.
Worry about the other end when you get that down.
Come on, Aggie. Let's go. Come on, tight. Come on.
Otherwise, you're not going to be happy with your video PC.
Come on. Come on, Timmy. Easy. Come on. Up. Big try. Big try. Lock it. Come on. Let's go. Come on, boy. Come on. Drive it up.